Welcome back to the channel. All right, we had such a good little time cooking on this char griller on the front of the Lang yesterday, cooking some hamburgers. We thought we'd do a little run of salmon on there. Have not cooked any fish on this Lang yet. I know we're not cooking in the big smoke chamber, but we are cooking in the front, in the char griller side. And hey, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button down in the corner. If you're not new, welcome back. Appreciate you coming back and checking me out again. All right, we're gonna get this thing fired up and we're gonna cook some salmon tonight. By the way, if you watch those burger videos, those things were spectacular. Dimple in the middle with a pat of butter. Fix that meat any way you like. That was a hit. I think that was some of the best burgers I've ever done. All right, we'll get this thing fired up and get to cooking. All right, we're gonna go back with the Royal Oak hardwood lump charcoal tonight. We'll get our fire started with that again, and we'll go back with a couple pieces of small red oak and hickory. All right, we'll get us some paper in here. Just taking part of the bag, part of the charcoal bag, a couple of paper towels. All right, light our paper on fire. I'm gonna light it up here. We already got some pretty small pieces chopped up. Make them just a little bit smaller. Get that balance. I think these little 4 sticks will do. Take a hardwood. We'll make us a little crisscross. This will give me the opportunity to cook indirect if I want. I don't have to cook right over here. I can cook on the cold side and just let the smoke roll to it. That's how I decide to do it. We'll see what our fire looks like in a little while. Just want to take this opportunity to thank you guys for watching these laying videos. I appreciate it. They're starting to pick up, and we appreciate you coming back time after time and watching them, giving them a thumbs up, and helping this channel grow. If you're into automotive stuff, please come back and check out my automotive content. There's plenty of that. We'll continue to do as much as we can. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Stick around, we're not done. She's still a little smoky. I really don't mind. Alright, maybe we should let it chill out just a minute. I don't think she's quite ready yet. Okay, so our salmon tonight, this is Bailey's piece. If you don't know Bailey, that's my 1-year-old yellow lab female puppy. She can't have garlic. Garlic's bad for dogs, so I got her a plain piece of salmon. My kids don't eat salmon much. It's mainly me and my wife, so this is a treat for me and her. This is what I did. Normally start us out in the kitchen, but I skipped that portion on this video, guys. I just took my salmon. It was a whole piece. I cut it down. I got minced garlic, rubbed it down with minced garlic, soy sauce, and olive oil. That's it. Let that soak for about an hour while this fire is getting ready. And that fire is good and hot right now. We're gonna let a little heat out of it. And probably gonna cook indirect over here on the side a little bit. Bailey's piece on. All right. Push the rack all the way in. So that's going to be roasted soy garlic, roasted garlic soy salmon. And I'm probably going to glaze it with a little honey and butter at the end. She's about 5 minutes in. She's cooking about 375. Don't want to overcook them. She is cooking indirect, but she's cooking kind of fast. That's all right. All right, normally we do like a honey garlic butter. Since we've already marinated it with a ton of garlic, now we're going to drizzle it with the honey butter. It's going to be on the grass for the dog to eat. And you notice we've got the thicker side towards the flame, which these babies are cooking pretty fast. I'm gonna go get a meat thermometer, see where we're at. Bailey's piece off. Bailey's piece is done. Ours is done. We're gonna wrap this thing up. Thanks for hanging out while we cooked a little salmon. This stuff cooks fast, especially if you got it up as hot as I did. Normally I don't like to cook that hot and fast, but it's all right. It is what it is. We're starting to get hungry and this thing wasn't cooling down. I didn't try choking it out any, but I've just hadn't had time to really learn the ins and outs of that little char griller yet. So we just cooked indirect, and it looks like it's gonna be a good meal. We're gonna wrap this thing up. Appreciate you hanging out, checking the video out. Thanks. Give it a thumbs up if you don't mind. Hit that subscribe if you hadn't already. See you in the next one. Peace.